So this is when we went to Taiwan last December. Inside the hotel, there's claw machines and may free breakfast din siya for a certain time, like 7 to 8 yet, or 7 to 10. And then ito, when we're trying to go out, we just walk by the underground station. May mall, diba? May mall sa ilalim. And that's a very long walk. Ang daming stores. And then, saan ba to? We went to the mall. Tapos, ayan, ang sarap niyang mochi donut na yan ng Mr. Donut. Gusto ko yung dark chocolate and strawberry. We tried those. Cutesy mga students over there. This is Taipei 101. Sobrang daming tao dyan. And then, we walk then sa may station going to Chiang Kai-shek. At ayan siya. It's a very big place. Ang dami rin tao dyan. Pero, bakit kaya walang chairs, no? Bawal umupo, bawal pahinga. Napakalaki pa naman ng place. Then at night time, we went to Ximending. At ang dami na namang claw machine. Napagod na ang daddy. Ayan, sit mo na siya dyan. Tapos ito, nagbay ako ng pancake, chocolate pancake sa... Saan nga ba yun? Family Mart yata yan? But it's so good. Nasarap niyan, dark chocolate. Sana meron din yan dito. We're actually getting ready niyan. It's early morning. We're going to Jufen. At saka saan pa yun? Basta, trip siya going doon sa northern coast to fly the lanterns. Maggawa kami ng pineapple cakes. Tapos, ayan na, we went there sa Geopark to see the Queen's Head. Grabe, it's raining. Sobrang lamig talaga. Grabe naman. Ang Kirsten Anika. She got that raincoat there for like 100. Ayan ako, ikot-ikot. Hinahanap ko actually silang dalawa dyan. Pero nag-video na rin ako. There were a lot of tourists. Daming Pinoy. And ang saya din talaga kahit sobrang lamig talaga yan. Kunyari lang hindi ako nanginginig dyan. Pero sobrang nanginginig na kami sa lamig. Look, diba? Lakas ng hangin. Tapos, we were gonna go sana dun sa dulo. Kaya lang, ang lakas rin ng rain. Biglang lumakas yung rain. Lumakas din yung waves dun sa gilid ng na parang beach. And then, here, dyan kami nag-bake ng cake. Yung kanina, we flew the lantern there. Meron kaming na-meet na isang, I don't know kung Singaporean or Chinese siya, pero she's a cool, cute little lady. Naging friend ni Anika. Ayan, nag-bake kami niyan, pineapple cake, ang sarap, pero matamis, pero okay lang. Nag-even out naman siya dun sa lasa ng pineapple, so it's so good. Tapos ito, buy kaming pasta ni Kirsten. Sarap na seafood pasta na yan dyan. Sa baba lang yan eh. Ito, shopping galore ang Anika and Daddy. And Mappy. So nice there talaga. So here's the airport. We're actually going back to Manila na. We took the early flight back to Manila para less hassle when we get home. That's it. See you again.